District of Columbia Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 2.
Question 1. After consuming alcohol, you can ensure you will not be driving under the influence if you
can never be certain that consumed alcohol will not affect your driving. Wait at least 30 minutes. We're drinking beer or wine and not hard liquor. Wait at least an hour.
Answer.
You can never be certain that consumed alcohol will not affect your driving.
Question 2. To help balance yourself during motorcycle turns, you should
keep your knees against the gas tank. Take your feet off the foot pegs for balance. Lean the opposite direction of the motorcycles. Turn your torso in the direction of the turn.
Answer.
Keep your knees against the gas tank.
Question 3. When riding in traffic, a rider must not share the same lane with cars or other vehicles because
car drivers may not allow you to share the same lane. You can face a sudden wind blast. Cars and motorcycles need a full lane to operate safely. Most of the roads are narrowed.
Answer.
Cars and motorcycles need a full lane to operate safely.
Question 4. The best protection against flying objects while riding is
headlights, goggles, face protection, sunglasses.
Answer.
Face protection.
Question 5. Changing your lane position can
provide an escape route. Help you avoid being a blind spot. All these answers are correct. Communicate your intentions to other drivers.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 6. Cars are most likely to try and share your lane when
they want to pass you. You are in the left lane position. They know you are a beginner rider. You are riding on a multi-lane highway.
Answer.
They want to pass you.
Question 7. When can a motorcycle park in a disabled parking spot?
When parking for 5 minutes or less. When dropping off a passenger. When unloading only. When equipped with a disabled license plate.
Answer.
When equipped with a disabled license plate.
Question 8. Is prohibited when riding downhill?
Increasing your speed. Shifting gears. Coasting in neutral gear. Slowing down.
Answer.
Coasting in neutral gear.
Question 9. When traveling in heavy congested traffic, what is an adequate space cushion between yourself and the vehicle ahead?
2 seconds. 3 seconds. 1 second. 4 seconds.
Answer.
4 seconds.
Question 10. Motorcycles are permitted to operate abreast in a single lane.
2. 4. 3, 1,
Answer.
2,
Question 11. To maintain a safe riding distance on the road, you should look forward, ahead of your travel path.
25 seconds, 60 seconds, 40 seconds, 12 seconds.
Answer.
12 seconds.
Question 12. What color of clothing makes you most visible to other drivers?
Green, orange. All these answers are correct. Yellow.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 13. It is difficult for other cars to see motorcycles. Which of the following can increase your visibility to others?
Use your headlight. Ride in the best lane position. All these answers are correct. Wear proper clothing.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 14. Because riding a motorcycle is more tiring than driving a car, you should
Drink caffeinated beverages. Avoid wearing dark eyewear. Avoid drinking water. Take frequent breaks.
Answer.
Take frequent breaks.
Question 15. When evaluating potential hazards, you should be looking for
All these answers are correct. Other vehicles. Road characteristics. Traffic controls.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 16. The best way to discourage other vehicles from trying to share a lane with you is by
Beeping your horn. Changing lanes periodically. Maintaining a center lane position. Avoid driving on narrow roads.
Answer.
Maintaining a center lane position.
Question 17. You are permitted to carry a passenger if
You have a special license. They are wearing protective clothing. The passenger has special shoes. Your motorcycle is designed to carry another person.
Answer.
Your motorcycle is designed to carry another person.
Question 18. When entering a turn and you need to change gears, when should that change occur?
After completing the turn. At any time. After entering the turn. Before entering the turn.
Answer.
Before entering the turn.
Question 19. When approaching an intersection, the rider should select a lane position to
Increase her visibility to another driver. All these answers are correct. Reduce the following distance. Increase her speed and pass quickly.
Answer.
Increase her visibility to another driver.
Question 20. The center lane position is best for
Being seen by the driver ahead of you. Preparing to pass the car ahead of you. Preparing to pull off the side of the road. Pulling up to blind intersections.
Answer.
Being seen by the driver ahead of you.
Question 21. You should maintain a space cushion around your motorcycle.
When carrying passengers. At all times. When carrying cargo. When first learning to ride.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 22. When carrying cargo in saddlebags, you should
fill the left bag before the other. Make sure both bags are full. Fill the right bag before the other. Distribute the weight evenly between both bags.
Answer.
Distribute the weight evenly between both bags.
Question 23. When following other motorcycles, what should be the minimum space cushion?
4 seconds. 3 seconds. 6 seconds. 2 seconds.
Answer.
2 seconds.
Question 24. If you think your throttle is sticking, you should immediately
twist it back and forth. Apply both brakes smoothly. Pull the engine cutoff switch. Pull off the road.
Answer.
Twist it back and forth.
Question 25. If you see a car on an entrance ramp that is going to merge into your lane, it is best to
tap your brakes to flash your headlight. Beep your horn. Change to another lane. Accelerate to pass the car.
Answer.
Change to another lane.
Question 26. Why is maintaining a space cushion important?
It gives you time to correct your mistakes. It gives you space to maneuver. It gives you time to react. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 27. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, the best course of action is to
accelerate out of the wobble. Close the throttle gradually. Apply the brakes quickly. Grip the handlebars tightly and fight the wobble.
Answer.
Close the throttle gradually.
Question 28. When parked along the roadside, you should park
with your front tire touching the curb. Parallel to the curb. With your rear tire touching the curb. On the curb.
Answer.
With your rear tire touching the curb.
Question 29. If you would like to signal that you are turning left, what is the correct hand and arm signal?
Left arm straight out. Right arm straight out. Left arm bent at 90 degrees pointing up. Left arm bent at 90 degrees pointing down.
Answer.
Left arm straight out.
Question 30. The staggered formation is the best choice when
Parking parallel to the curb. Riding in a group. Riding around curves. There is an emergency situation.
Answer.
Riding in a group.
Question 31. The best lane position to avoid lane sharing by others is the lane position.
Left. Right or center. Center. Right.
Answer.
Center.
Question 32. What does the right foot pedal control?
The gear shifter. The rear brake. The clutch. The front brake.
Answer.
The rear brake.
Question 33. When should you take your feet off the foot pedals and skim them on the surface of the road?
When riding on ice. When riding in a parking lot. When crossing rail tracks. When riding on metal grating.
Answer.
When riding on ice.
Question 34. In which of the following places are motorcycle collisions most frequent?
Acceleration lanes. Intersections. Rural areas. Multi-lane highways.
Answer.
Intersections.
Question 35. When riding in a group, you should never
Put a beginner near the front. Pair up. Pass vehicles in front of you. Ride single file.
Answer.
Pair up.
Question 36. Increase your visibility at an intersection by
Riding in the staggered formation. Looking in your mirrors. Choosing the most visible lane position. Coming to a complete stop.
Answer.
Choosing the most visible lane position.
Question 37. You should downshift through the gears when you
Need more power to accelerate. All these answers are correct. Need to slow down. Are approaching a stop sign.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 38. Before starting your motorcycle engine, your transmission should be in
Third gear. First gear. Second gear. Neutral.
Answer.
Neutral.
Question 39. When is the center lane position the best choice?
When you are riding beside a row of parked cars. When you are preparing to pass. When there is a hazard on the left side of the road. When you want to be most visible to the car ahead of you.
Answer.
When you want to be most visible to the car ahead of you.
Question 40. When slowing down, which brake should you use?
Front brake only. Rear brake only. Front or rear brakes. Both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Question 41. What is the most efficient way to know what is going on behind you?
Turn around and scan the area. Carry a passenger to check for you. Stop and look around. Check your side mirrors frequently.
Answer.
Check your side mirrors frequently.
Question 42. Tinted eye protection
Is mandatory during the day. Is mandatory for drivers only. Should be worn at all times. Should not be worn at night.
Answer.
Should not be worn at night.
Question 43. In order to have a passenger on your motorcycle, you must have
Side saddlebags. High quality shocks. Footrests for the passenger. A windshield.
Answer.
Footrests for the passenger.
Question 44. To give yourself enough time to react to hazards, you should scan the road ahead.
15 feet. 30 feet. 12 seconds. 2 seconds.
Answer.
12 seconds.
Question 45. It is important that passengers
Lean as the driver leans. Keep their feet on the foot pegs. Sit as far forward as possible. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 46. A precaution that should be taken when riding at night is
Increase your following distance. Use your low beam. Increase your speed. Decrease your following distance.
Answer.
Increase your following distance.
Question 47. When starting off on your motorcycle, you should start with your right wrist
Flat. Locked. Up. As comfortable as you wish.
Answer.
Flat.
Question 48. Increase your safety at night by
Increasing your following distance. Riding with your high beam. All these answers are correct. Using the lights of the car ahead to help you see.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 49. When you need to cross rail tracks that are parallel to you, how should you cross them?
Never cross rail tracks parallel to your lane. Edge across the tracks. At an angle of exactly 90 degrees. At an angle of at least 45 degrees.
Answer.
At an angle of at least 45 degrees.
Question 50. Before every lane change, you should
Look over your shoulder. Check your blind spots. Check your mirrors. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.